MacBook Air 2014 MacBook Air, that's 820-3437, and that's a backlight issue. Not the power to see issue. From the display, there is no camera, there is no light on it. The power shows that it's displaying, but there is no power on it. Let me show you with our locally confirmation of such issues. You plug with your DC power, the system is on. You put your light on the back of your system. Looking at it, you'll see it's coming up, coming. Okay. Yeah. You see? There's no lights. Backlight issue. Look at the Apple logo, showing that the system is having a backlight issue. From our flex view, we have the backlight IC U7701, which was actually changed yesterday. This is the bad one. Looking at this, you see the bad one. This is very, very bad, to show that the backlight IC U7701 is bad. We've replaced it, but still not working. Now we come to realize that R773131 is having a low power. R7715 is also having a low power, and now R7731 is the SO switch for backlights, and which takes its power from the resistor 5490, which is the switch, the controller. Okay, we are going to change R7731 and R7715 is bad, and which both are the backlight switch. Their work is to control and give complete power to the display. Okay, now from the motherboard here, we have a donor. We use ones that is not more working, so we remove the chip from here, from the donor board, and we replace the switch, which is this. Now after we replace the switch for here, 7731 now receives complete voltage. Now 3 volts is being given out from the U7701, and from the diode, this is the backlight booster from R5490, gives direct power to the resistor. This is the controller, the switch controller. Now pin 1 is having the switch power, while pin 2 is the backlight end, which takes in the voltage from U7701. Now with the diagram here, it simply means that you all need a voltage coming from the switch, the controller, the backlight switch, and also a voltage coming from U7701. Once this is completed, you are experienced to have complete voltage. Now let's test to see what we did. Okay. You can see we have a display. This simply means that the power is now complete. So once such issues is being seen on a motherboard, what you need to do first is to check the backlight fuse, check the switch controller. Now this controller, now check U7701, which is the backlight IC switch. Now this gives the complete voltage to this display to make it work. In this little video, I believe you can be able to solve problems relating to backlight issues on motherboard or MacBook systems. Thanks for watching, and we hope to upload more videos on solutions to some minor issues on laptops. Thank you very much for watching.